So while checking some of the new models in Upstage, I happened to find the Solar Pro model. So that's one of the model they use for PDF parsing, generating PDF, extracting data out of PDF, and also to do the document classification, embedding, and searching across document. So Upstage has made this particular model for that capability, right? So when you sign up, actually you get enough credits to try these model out, right? So here you can see, if you go through the details, you will find the context length, active parameters 12b, 102b2, 12b, right? Now you can use this for chat, then reasoning, then for structured outputs, right? You can also take their API. If you check the agents API and you actually, let's say, check the dashboard, and here you can find the API listed, which you can take to VS Code. And if you have kilocode like extension, simply go to providers and add that, right? So Upstage allows you to connect, and then you will be able to use that particular model, right? Here if I say solar, so Solar Pro 3, you can see, can select that, and I will ask basic questions like how can I write an app to build a PDF document parser, right? You can ask this question and it will give the answer in brief, right? So we can add that. Here we can see, if we go back to playground, we can similarly immediately ask similar questions. So I can do it better over there than through kilocode, right? So if we paste this, we can talk to Solar Pro 3, specifically this model. Here we can also change the model to version 2 or mini or Sin Pro. So I will use Solar Pro 3 for this, and let's see, I would say React app. So let's try and get the answer. It will think through and it will actually explain the brief steps to do that. So if we scroll for this brief steps to create PDF document parser in React app, create the React project, then you have these steps. Pick a PDF handling library, PDF JS test, right? And these two libraries you need basically for that. Then next you can see it also explain what to do after this, how to test the next step, and so on. And finally keep testing and build until you get the final output. Here you can see we are making use of browsers, file reader, and array buffer, right? So it will tell you how to do this. It will be kind of like consumption of tokens on any LLM model, but Solar Pro actually explained it how to do it, right? Now industry specific, you can ask those questions, considering this is basically LLM model that deals with document parsing, OCR, then extraction, classification, and so on. If you want to try out the parse part, you can click on the parse. It will show you the example where they have parsed one of the PDF documents and the output is listed like this. Now if you scroll, you will find entire document with table and so being done like this, right? Now here you can see document parse model is also listed, so you have to pick actually one of the models to do this, right? So here in OCR mode, and see, you would be able to get everything done properly, right? You can even finally apply this, download the whole example out and try it, right? It will also generate the JSON output for whatever you have parsed, right? Now if we take a look at the OCR part, you will find that example is also created here. Preview is given, that document is parsed, JSON output is also there, you can download that. Similarly, model for OCR under Solar are listed like this: nightly and the current stable. Right. So this is Solar Pro model from Upstage, and it is intended for applications like document parsing, OCR, and data extraction out of documents and classifying those documents.